Okay. Sorry, I've been super quiet these last like few minutes. A little bit fun, a little bit fun. Let's do this. Okay. Nope, not okay. I forgot the most important thing. The flipping chat. Else I can't speak to you guys. That'll suck. Just sitting here talking to myself. Oh, you guys will think I'm weird because I'm sitting here talking to myself. Anyways. Loading. There we go. Ta-da. Let's give it a minute. Hey Maria, what up? What's now? Now what, thinking that I'm weird talking to myself? I beg to differ, I'm pretty sure that's weird, but anyways. Livitz, what up? Hey, Solly, what are the vibes today? Good question. What are the vibes today? I'm hoping only good vibes. Let's hope for only good vibes, right? I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Livitz, what to do with what, your money? What are you asking, Livitz? What's up? Anyways, Solly, did you try the blanket thing? Did it help? Go on, please. That'll be amazing. Please dance. Should we move out the country? Livitz, what are you talking about? Hell yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. I think dancing is the way to go. I made sure that I made my coffee this morning. I haven't had a sip yet though, soon. And Solly, did it work? Was it a little bit better or did it not help at all? Sorry if it didn't do anything. Livitz, then why can't you go? Make note here. Respect it really well, like twice. Okay. Anyways. What's a good investment over a 13-year period, please? Oliver J.S. Moore. I'm sorry, I'm not too sure with regards to investing. Sorry, I'm laughing at something. Anyone do investing that has any good ideas of what will be something good to invest in over a 13-year period? I mean, yeah, sorry, I don't know much about the investing side of things. I just do the day trading. Live, early retirement. Go on then, that would be nice. It felt so illegal wetting your bed, but damn, it works. I told you it does. It feels uncomfortable, but if it works, it works, and then you get to sleep and you don't feel like you know, wanting to claw your skin off because you're so hot. Sorry, that was a very graphic example, but you know, if you've dealt with those heats, you know the feeling. Prof 23, how's it going? Yeah, I was about to say, where you been? Hey, Osman, what up? Livitz, gold and silver. Is that for the investing? Thomas? Why are you awake? No, I'm joking, chef. How's it going? How's it going, Thomas? Sleep just not one with you today. Call me Jimmy. XRP if you're gonna hold. Interesting. Like for 13 years. They're asking. Oliver, there we go. Oliver's asking with regards to holding it potentially for 13 years. Silky Wilkie, what up? And Scalper, good morning, what's up? Okay. Sorry, let me mark out my points. I ain't gonna lie. Like I said to you guys, I'm not gonna lie. I've woken up in a bad mood, which is not great, but let's see, you guys always cheer me up, so I'm sure it'll help a lot. I know that's a weird thing to say, but you guys do. You always cheer me up, somehow. You guys just have a way. Okay, so yesterday, what did I miss out on yesterday? Wow, that's bloody rude. Went up, auto tagged me out, then just started freaking dipping. Wow. Okay, let's mark out all of these zones so that I have an idea. Yoga. Here's Asia though. I'm not responding. I shall respond ASAP. ASAP. I don't know if I'm losing my voice or if I'm getting sick or a bit of both. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe a bit of both. Possibly a bit of both. I'm trying to be better at marking out potential zones. I'm trying. Luvitz, do you think XRP is for children? Damn, okay, those are fighting words. Trader Renzler. Hey, how are you? I just, yeah, woke up in a bad mood. People will be testing me today. That's why I prefer to be on my own. Except for you guys, that sounded bad, but you know, you guys are amazing. But a lot of the times people, I want to look at them and be like, just shh. Anyways. Clover, did yesterday go well? So yesterday London session was awesome. I was in the green, I was up $107, and then New York came and just screwed me. So I ended in the red, not by a lot, by $57, but it's still, you know, still red. I want to be in the green now. I'm done being in the red. I'm purple. This is the grumpy Maya coming in, I'm sorry. Scalper, I love that. Slow, steady stubbornness. I don't think there's anything that describes traders better than that. Call me Jimmy long term, but you can always sell off your initial investment. Yeah, that makes sense. KKF, what am I looking for? On the charts, is that what you're asking? Hi, live. Good morning. How are you doing? How has it all been going? So last night, I think everyone was already asleep or still trading at like 9 p.m. for me. What would that be? EST time. 7, 8, 9, 11. No, like 3 p.m. I guess. At 3 p.m. yesterday, I hopped on to the Discord and I had an awesome chat. And we're going through some things with Chase. I think he's probably asleep now. But I was going through some things with Chase and it was really interesting. It's really interesting to just learn what different people look for as well. I think that's a big one. The more you know, it can be overwhelming sometimes. It can be, because I'm like, oh my gosh. But you know, sometimes they do things that you just go, oh wow, that makes sense. Why have I not been doing that? Anyways, Simon, hi. What's up? Prof 23, investment talks, be too careful, ladies and gentlemen, especially on YouTube, especially if you're not an authorized or licensed financial accountant. Thank you. Other institution. No. There we go. Thanks, Prof 23. Simon, am I looking for shorts? No. To be fair, oh shoot, I haven't even marked the liquidity here. Like I said, that was my first sip of coffee. That's my excuse. I'm gonna stick with it. Simon, I'm not even going to take a guess at where it's going, because yesterday I was convinced. I know we had a bearish market throughout the day, but I was convinced it was going to go take those equal highs. It did not, and that's actually what screwed me. So right now, let's check the higher time frames. Let me just block off all the noise. Okay, so we appear to be going... Where do we appear to be going? Yeah, poop. Is there news today? We haven't broken anything yet, so yeah, we could still be going down, down, down. Okay. Let's see. So a lot of you think... Anyways, so a lot of you think it's gonna go short? I saw Wednesday night karaoke last night. You know what's funny? There actually was karaoke. I didn't go, but yeah, every Wednesday at one of the pubs where I live, there's karaoke. Are you asking about my voice? Is that why I'm losing my voice? No. It's been going on for a few days. Who knows? Who knows? Arham, hi. I'm good, thanks, and you? Meme tokens will go to dust. Clover, you think so? That's interesting. Ren's, yeah. Yep. That's being... Yeah. Thomas, and you know me, I get that thing all the time. So, you know, at the end of the day, trend is trend, right? Just stick with it. Has it popped into anything? Let me quickly check. Yeah. Hit that little bit of a support zone. I may be too late for this one though. I'm not loving the wick, but hit a previous, not support zone, sorry, resistance zone. What time is it? 9:15. Okay. Dr. Tread, good morning from the UK. Good morning from South Africa. How's it going? Tenacious D actually only trade in futures. Floris, what up? How's it going? The market's very different. No, we're not in state of euphoria like when people were paying one more for NFTs, monkeys, clover. Prof 23, yes I am. The micros to be specific, but yes I am. So, okay, Renza, you've been looking at what most traders look for. Funny enough, it all comes back to buy zones in every shape or fair value gap strategy. They're all around about ways to find institutional zones. I mean, Renza, essentially, that's basically it. It's just some people put it in a different way that makes sense to a lot of people. So, sorry, I'm going to be that person because it helps me. So, like, when I would teach horse riding to some people, they would never understand it with their previous instructor, but they would understand it with me. I'm saying the exact same thing their previous instructor was saying. I was just saying it in a different way or a different analogy, and it just went, ah, that makes sense. Why did no one ever tell me? The previous instructor was saying that. It just made sense the way I said it. And for me, that's what I feel like strategies are. Everyone theoretically is saying the same thing. Like you said, Rensler. Well, this is just how I feel. So, I mean, you guys can argue with me on this one. It's just how I feel. I feel like everyone theoretically is having the same idea or thinking the same things. It's just someone explains it in a way that makes sense to someone else. I don't know if I'm talking rubbish or if that makes any sense to you guys. So what platform am I playing? Pipe, I feel like you've been here before like 50 times. Why are you back? Anyways, I'm on Project X. But who knows, the market has been hating my model lately. Thomas, have you not been having green recently? So I didn't take this, guys, because I check. When in doubt, scroll out. It hit this resistance zone. You can see how it wicked here. Right back into it. And then drop down. See, guys, I'm learning. It takes a while. It takes a while, but I'm learning. Oh! KKF? Whoop whoop, that's amazing. Well done. Trader Renslow, we're looking for continuation this morning or reversal back to Asia low. Good question. I'm not even gonna try guess. I'm just gonna wait and see what the markets show me. What? Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Clover, really? Do you get like, don't look at me, don't talk to me, leave me alone? Ah, Clover, I appreciate the help. I think that's it. I really do appreciate the help. I know I sometimes don't always listen, but you know, it's like I said, it's like telling kids not to touch not to touch an electric fence because it's gonna hurt, right? The kid's gonna end up touching the electric fence and learning for themselves that was dumb. I'm a kid. When it comes to trading, you say don't do it. I'm like, but what if I do? And then it hurts and I go, oh, I got it. That makes sense. Aw, Ace, that's very sweet. Thank you. Listen, they're just so comfy. Woo! What is this move for London? What the heck? Alrighty then. Glad I didn't hop on too long there. Crypto Road, what up? You slid? What up? How's it going, by the way? Sniffies! Oh, Sniffies. Celestial. I'm assuming that's it. What's my thoughts on XRP? Sorry, I don't have lots of thoughts on XRP. We were having a little bit of a discussion about it earlier. Some people think it's the thing to invest in. Again, this is not financial advice. I know absolutely nothing about the investing side of things. I'm just here for the day trading. Solly, you're sitting on hands. You don't know what you're looking at. Solly, same. Part of me was like, I can just hop in on this, right? I mean, potentially if it comes back up. Hit this little bit of a shelf. Shoot, I actually don't know. It makes an inverse fair value gap there, maybe not. But this is a potential for it to come down here one last time. Grab this liquidity sitting around here. It did take out a bunch here and here though. Okay. No inverse fair value gap created, so that's promising. Let me see. Might be 10. Patrick targeting 067 level. Oh, I see. I was like, why that level? I just forgot to mark it out. Yeah, there's a lot sitting there. Hi, Patrick. Yes, hi. How are you doing? Break of structure reversal imminent. Wait for bounce back up and possible reversal down to Asia low. Ooh, okay, Rensler. There we go. See, this looks like it could have maybe been a goodie. It just didn't hop back up high enough. Wonder if it is going to have a final little push up. It might. Okay, Clover, so you're feeling bearish still. Got it. High life, why the people keep asking except Peter. Yeah, high life. Yeah, just yeah. That's it. Just yeah. George, what up? I mean, Sniffies, I'm sure you could. Maybe someone will be like, ooh, that's useful. Roshan, no? No? Not? Not new. Still, somehow, I'm still holding in. Don't know how, but no, not a new eval account. Trade Delicious, how's it going? Kronos here. No. Kronos here. No, not yet. Now, which range? Which range? Which range? The itty bitty range or the big range? The itty bitty range might screw me. The itty bitty range might work. Itty bitty being the key word here though. Good take out there. That's a good stop. Okay, let's see. Yeah, Trade Delicious, that's quite valid. The amount of people that, like even just my family, if they're like, what are you doing? I'm like, oh, I'm day trading. And they look at me like this. I'm like, okay then. Well, that was rude. I don't know if oh, damn. Okay. Nope. Won't go for the smaller range if it's taken out that. Okay. I mean, the bigger range is a possibility. Oh, sorry, I have hiccups. I feel like I've missed something. Sorry guys. I'm having proper discussions with myself today. Anyways, Daniel, what pair is this? Not a pair, so this is the Nasdaq futures. Trade Delicious, that's valid. Yeah, that's valid. Like I answered earlier. Anyway, Jack, she's keeping the market company again. Jack, always. It's my thing. Solly. Yeah, guys, careful. Solly is like, I don't know, what is Solly like? I'm trying to think of like a little peacekeeper. Trading is one of the hardest skills to learn. I feel like it should count towards something. Sniffy, that's the thing. But people who aren't traders do not know that. I think that's the problem. Yeah. Oh, it hit that level, by the way. Did it just miss it? No, it hit that level. So let's see. So I'm not taking this because it is now wiped out a lot of liquidity. So to take the smaller range is a little bit risky. So that's why I'm not taking this one. Even if it would have worked out, this is a risk management trade. So maybe I get grumpy at myself for not taking it, but with all the liquidity it's just taken, it feels risky. Captain Crunch? No, I did not. I'm assuming you did. You would have been looking for a short after taking Asia. Hi, Thomas. Dan, you haven't traded futures. What indicators? I feel like they're same. Daniel, are you a day trader? Oh! Hi, Life, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Using inverse for value for proper price rate reversal. Okay, makes sense. Thomas, are you still in bed? Or what's you up on the charts? What's your thing? You're new in trading. Oh, you're new in trading. Do you use prop firms? What's your thing, Daniel? Big Bull? What up? How's it going, Big Bull? And Rachel! Hi! Did you get that top one prop, by the way, Rachel? Rachel, yeah, it's a GAN box, so I wouldn't quite say it's a fib. It's my own little GAN box. Daniel, I don't know if I'm the right one to be about. Informed a bearish. Let me see. 25113. Ah. So you would be looking for shorts around here, right, Thomas? We just came down and took sell side liquidity at the low. Okay. The rip? No, not yet. Nothing yet. Thank heavens. I was looking at a long right around here. And luckily, I saw this bit of a... What? I want to say demand zone, but that's not a demand zone. Oh, sorry. English has depleted for the week and it's only Thursday. It's gonna be bad. This is gonna be very interesting. Oh, Rachel, that's valid. That's valid. Have you had a look at funding ticks, Rachel? How are the reviews on funding ticks? Because I know funding ticks is also a little bit cheaper. Just saying. But theoretically, shoot. Did I just miss it again? Did I just miss it again? I was looking at the 2-minute shot. No, I can't blame that. I was questioning if this would be a goodie. Created here, but this is not very strong. Damn. Purple sweep. Hi live funding ticks. You can try that. Where's the link? Description. D, you can't see what chart this is. Sorry, Nasdaq futures still. Sorry, D. So hi D, how's it going? You know, D, I'm good. Oh, I just missed this beautiful entry. Oh, actually, would this have? This may not have gotten me. This may have missed me. Knowing my luck recently, it may have missed me. Sorry guys, I see I've missed a bunch of messages, so I'm sorry. You're at your desk, but probably gonna head to bed shortly. I mean, Thomas, that's not a bad idea, just saying. What advice can I give to a beginner who's just started up the trading journey? Well, as a fellow beginner myself, I would say just try sort out your brain. That sounds so bad, but try sort out your brain. Have your rules. Stick to your rules. Find a strategy that makes sense to you that you can execute correctly. And Patrick, oh, okay, I see. Are there more than one? Ooh, how many Ds are there? Are there 2 Ds? Yeah, Rachel. That's valid. Daniel, funding ticks, yeah. Again, Daniel, you can check out the links down below for the props. Okay, well, it didn't quite project as much as I would have liked to have seen, but I guess, like Thomas said, it's probably going to go up a little bit more. Oh, nice. Thomas, which game were you playing? Oh, okay, D. Cool. Hey, good vibes. What up? Oh my gosh. I don't know which D is which D now. Anyways. Yeah. So if you go into funding ticks and you use my code, Teachmaya, then obviously you also get a discount, which is awesome. But it is a little bit cheaper, like I said. Thanks, Dee. Hi, Dee. The problem is, they both spelt and look exactly the same. Anyways. Ballerino cappuccino. Me. Anyways. Sabach, what's up? Okay, cool. Second tap into there. Checking out the volume and things quick. D, you know I gotta stick. to my rules law. Okay, D, how high do you think this is gonna go up? Or is this now turning into a bullish structure? Let's ask that. Captain Crunch I've actually been preferring in Q during the London session. I don't know, I think maybe it's just because it's a little less volatile, I'm not sure. Like yesterday during London, I was up $107, and then New York, I lost it. Captain Crunch, you'll be surprised. You'll be surprised. I think you get used to it. So, like I said, I used to exclusively trade New York session. Then I moved to London and I was like, oh my gosh. But between the red and white line at the top. So you think it's going to hit here and then retrace back down, D? Is that what you think? Justin, yes. So I feel there's more volatility in NQ. ES is just more reliable, predictable. Just from what I've seen, I haven't actually traded ES, but from what I've seen, like if I watch the charts, you can see ES respects the levels a little bit more. Yeah, just that's the thing. There's more possible entries. It's just wild. Okay. Okay, do you think linear will do well? Adam, I'm not sure. Thanks, Clover. Huh. Okay, D, let's see. So, if I put my entry here, you think it should be good? Asia midpoint currently at 85%. Don't care for longs personally. The rip? Oh, okay. And you're quite good at that. Why do you care what people think will happen? We need a plan or system that we can apply consistently. Yeah, because I'm here to still learn. So if people think it's gonna go up, that's why I always ask why. Because what are they seeing? You know, what is it that they are seeing because they have way more experience than I do. Way more experience. Huh, okay, D. Okay, D, let's see. I'm low-key curious because theoretically my entry would have been here. Let's see how this does. Oh, Daniel, I'm still new. I don't know if I'm quite the right person to be trying to get signals from, just saying. A little bit deep, but there is a support zone here that it's now tapped into twice. There we go. Literally tapped in once, twice. D, you only usually trade gold. Oh, gold's been really nice recently, also I've heard. Right? Daniel, theoretically, yeah. You are correct. Nice. No, Renzler, everyone's thoughts and opinions are super valid. Super valid. Believe me. Triple Moon Ranch. Cool name, by the way. Thanks for the sub. But yeah, Rensler, I mean, even for beginners to sit here and ask questions, if I can't answer them, I guarantee you someone can, right? Danny, no, I will not invest for you. No. No. Just saying. No. So far as respecting the 5-minute inverse. Could go up, so if you are bearish, you don't want to see that. Yep. But do you think it could just be filling here? Travel the universe. Sam here. I didn't do anything. I have mods, my man. Also, hi, Travel the universe. Oh, Sam. What's up, Sam? Danny, so but you want to do investing or day trading? They're both very different. To the moon? Stangham, you think it's going up all the way? Stargo, where are my liquidity zones? Here. And there's the fair value gap here. I try not to keep my chart too busy. Try being the keyword. Julian, what up? Again, Sam, I didn't do anything. I have mods. And my mods do what they gotta do. I trust my mods. Sorry. You've gotten lazy and spent about 6 months studying EA. I do nothing more. Damn, D, aren't you just cool? Sure. Woo, okay. Stangham trapping the sellers here. Yep. I mean, to be fair, I wanted to be a seller. My entry would have been here. I don't even know if I have it. Let's see. I don't have it. Sorry, Thomas. Do I have an MA? I have a moving average, but I can't pick like the 8 or anything. Do I have live automatically changed liquidity? I draw them myself, Stargo. The high probability is to the downside, so you are better served taking your setup to this. Yes, market could go up, but the high probability is not that. The rip? Thank you. I'm considering trying my 4R1. I'm considering it. Especially, like Thomas said, up here. We have an inverse fair value gap. D thinks it's going to go a little bit above here and then go down. Still has you feeling bearish, Trader Rensler. Oh, thanks, D. Got it. Julian, yeah, I come on live every day. Okay, I'll set it up. I'm having flashbacks. I think sideways, and it's probably going to drop. Yeah. Stangham, where do you think it's going up to, by the way? Sure, no, sorry, I'm on a prop firm. Julian, oh, sorry, so I'm in South Africa, so I can tell you South Africa time. So I'm on every day, twice a day at 9 a.m. until... What time do I normally stick around? Until like 11 a.m. And then for the New York Open, I hop on at around 3:15 p.m. or 9:15 EST time to around 5:30 p.m. or 11:30 EST time. Yeah. South Africa time, Julian. I am from SA. Oh, you're in Europe. That's cool. Where are you from, Julian? Rensler, you might be liquidity for the move up. Don't worry, Rensler, I'm considering. This feels like it could be stupid. Is this a little... This is low-key sneaky. No, actually, this is not bad. How big is it, though? This is itty-bitty. This is cheeky. This is cheeky. But I'm gonna do it. No. No, that was right. My bad. Sorry, I just saw now that I have 1, 2, 3 confluences. I know it's choppy, so that's why it's cheeky. But I had 3 confluences with this trade, which makes it a valid trade for me. It's taken, but it's projected not as well as I would have wanted it to. Come on. D low-key sneaky. Starga, I have not. I've heard about them. I've heard they're good. I haven't used them though. Just thinking they're trapping sellers here. Yeah. Limit for the account. You're asking like what I'm not allowed to do per day? Yeah. Probably kind of right. Explain, please. Oh, come on. 1, 2, 3, respect it again and bounce back up one last time. Let's go. Ben Safar, hi, how are you? Harbin Roka, what up? How's it going? Oh no. This is why I don't do it. Oh, sure. Oh, so I'm doing a 50k challenge if that's what you are asking. So I'm doing the eval. Autoflow, autoblocks, and CVD are also a good strategy. Yep. Did you get it? Nope. Still driving you crazy. Sorry, my dog's trying to catch flies. I'm from South Africa. Sorry. Got it, Sean. Come on. No, you bounced off of it nicely. Keep bouncing up. Sean, what do you do? Probably kind of right, then what do you do? Are you an investor? What's your thing? No, Sean, so because I'm from South Africa, we're a little bit limited to what we can, or to which prop firms are available. So I'm using top 1 futures. But for fellow South Africans, all the affiliates in my description below are South Africa friendly, which is awesome. And if you want the discount, you can use my code. Oh, but nice music. Thank you. So, Sean, sorry. I did respond. Sorry, my bad. Okay, so you're semi-retired. I'm not loving the reaction off of this. But let's see what happens. I'm just doing hands off now. So you used to trade, probably kind of, right? Carbon 1. Your return on unopened Pokemon packs in 50. What? I'm now properly confused. Sorry, did you see I literally just read what Solly said? No, it's gonna take me out. I thought it was a goodie. Damn it. Oh well. Rise and inspire? What up? Dag nab it. Oh well. It's fine. Let's see if we can make it back up. It was a goodie. That was a pity. What should go up now because it's taken me out? It is. It's just looking for stop losses. Am I making good trades when I execute my trades? I mean, this one was not. Even said when I took it that I was being low-key cheeky. Because it is in chop and I shouldn't be trading in chop, but it had my 3 confluences. I had 1, 2, and then my VWAP is 3, and it rejecting off of here made me think one more bit. But it's fine. Wait, I mismarked this. Can you see I've changed my attitude from oh no to it is what it is. Which is good. That is the attitude you need with trading, right? Benzema, you're from France? Oopsie, hello, what is wrong? I definitely do things differently. Yeah. That's an understatement. At least I took the train. Oh, wait. Let me make note. There we go. There we go. But good. Oh gosh. Okay, that's a long one, but you get the idea. I don't even know where to put it, but there we go. And in music, what prop am I using? I'm with Top One Futures. Samano, hi. Aw, aren't you so sweet? Anyways, the highest rectangle doesn't make sense to me. Explain, please, D. Poop. I was thinking it, but I didn't do it. Nope, wrong thing. Let's see if the 4R1 would have worked. Entry at red. Ah, shoot. There it goes. Let's see if it continues. Then I must make note. Because here's a 4R trade versus a 2R trade. Rajita, hi. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Where are you from? D, yes I do. On the weekends. Or else I get a little bit burnt out with screen time. That's why I also have to go to the horses in between my trading sessions, or else it's just a little bit too much. And I've also been forward testing this. Well, yeah. Let me actually make... No, I must actually go back. Let me start labeling these. Forward testing these. Let's say... No, I'm gonna have to go back and label them. When did I start? It was not Monday. It was probably... That was Monday. Couldn't do anything Monday. Okay. 1 of 10. Don't mind me, guys. I'm just talking to myself. 1 of 10. Lost. Okay. Here's 2. 2 of 10. Win. Oh my goodness. Scaring me, bud. This is 3. Sorry guys, I know I'm being really bad at responding. I'm like I said, it's so weird. I'm actually focusing today. Oh wait, forgot to add here win. This 4, this one would have been a win. Just. Yeah, this is starting to look like the way to go. This is 5. Okay. Anna, why am I not using Take Profit Trader? Because I'm in South Africa and we are limited to what profit we can use. Hey, don't you love the new screen? Is there a new screen? What's happening? No, sir, my mistake was actually just going with the, well, buying in the chop. Even put there. It was a cheeky trade, bad Maya. I did have 3 confluences, however, was chopping. Don't trade in the chop. Ah, thanks, Anna. Yeah, well, I'm trying. Oh, so Tony, this one's always up. So if you ever get into the other one, just pop out and hop onto this one. Sorry. Benny the boss, which time frame am I using? I'm using the 1 minute. Would this have been a win? Nearly. It looks like I have to rethink this. I could have a 4R strat. There we go. Huh. Damn, look at that. Whoa, that was a big push-up. That was a very big push-up. Wanted to potentially have an entry here. Fiscal boss with Abdul, not trading a pair. You really think so, do you? Apparently, yep. Here we go. Dave the Wave, what do you use? Let's see, here's another potential 4R. I'm not sure though. Do you think this is gonna go all the way down? Like all the way down? Lyle Slop, what? No. Doria. Hi, I'm good and you. How's it going? Volume, price, action, and open interest. The rip, yep, I didn't enter though. I mean, nope. Fiscal, not trading pairs. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Thanks, Thomas. Enjoy. Tony, I'm not in it. I know, D, and I doubted you. I'm sorry. But again, you're not answering. Do you think it's going to go all the way down? Answer quickly. I wanted to move down with speed. Train your eye to that. Okay. And Clip, you think it's a buy? Thomas, you'd want to see a new high. Thomas, I thought you said if it hit this fair value, inverse fair value gap around here that it would want to go back down. Or was it that you think would bounce off it and continue to go up? Michael, hi. Thanks for the super chat. John, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Clip, when in doubt, zoom out. Yes. Huh. Interesting. That's just a long one. I don't think I would take that, but still. Wait, did you say you're a competition trader? Is that a thing? What is a competition trader? You nearly swore. On live. Don't do that. 4 more minutes or you're out. Are you serious? That's interesting. I didn't know it was a sport there. Kind of like gamers. What? Missed that, missed that. The rip, where's your TP at? That's crazy. Okay. Dude, you lied. That's wild. I mean, John, you say that, but, you know, Google Translate is a thing. Could have like an AI tool set up. You know, the technology nowadays is crazy. Okay. Okay, Thomas, so that makes sense. There we go. Yeah, I know, John, and I understand you perfectly. It freaking takes me out now. I might call it a day right here and just say screw it. I might have been mostly right about sideways. Thomas, yep. If we entertain sellers enough, we can go back up, please. High Life, are you in a buy? Chef Trades, what up? Yes, High Life? Now you make me nervous. Turning back down. Popped into there. Y'all make me very nervous now. Really? You only draw rectangles? Oh, High Life, damn, you're in buys? Okay. Okay, Doyen, go on then. Give me one. I'm not liking the come on. Project off of it better. Project off of it better. Okay. It didn't go as powerful. Hi, Skeletor. Did you just see my face of disappointment while reading that? That was brilliant. Really, really good though. Yeah. Come on, rotate up there. Had the shelf bounced off of it. Didn't bounce off enough off of it. How many times have I told you guys that if you are just in, like, not in the right mindset, just call it. Skeletor? Yeah, that's valid. Huh. Okay. Not 3 at the time, twice. And again. Yeah. So I'm wanting to see if this now works. Hey, Pontus, what up? John? Very funny. Okay. No, trade with the cash, no. Anyways. Well, go on, Doyan. If you don't want to tell him, you can always send me an email with it. Anyways. I feel like I've missed a lot. What? Okay, thanks, Doyan. Some drama going on today. Thanks. Not yes, I do. I think. Well, I try to. You know, sometimes I'm calling it a day. Beginning of the stream, I even said I woke up in a bad mood. And that should have been lesson number 1. Just don't trade if your head's not in it, right? Doyan, it's in my description. Or if you want to make life easier, it's just teachmytrading@gmail.com. Makes no difference to me. Alex, the Nasdaq futures. Not bust, don't worry. I'm not gonna go anywhere. I'm just not gonna place any more trades. I placed 2. And they were both losses because my head's not in it. So I guess I'm just gonna keep forward testing right now. And let's see what happens. Gosh. Okay, damn, Doyan. Not Buster, not really. Sorry, I don't really trade the Bitcoin and things like that. I'm sure someone here can. Can anyone tell not Buster why Bitcoin is going down? Beatty, you think Bitcoin will go to zero? Why? What's happening? I feel like I've missed a lot with regards to Bitcoin. Fabian MACD is crossing to the upside. The rip, I thought you were out of this, by the way. Um, 250815. Wait a second. Okay, marked it. Let's see. Beatty, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. David, how do I do my research? Well, backtesting, forward testing. On the weekends, I go and do a bunch of research. It's a lot, guys. I mean, some weekends I do take time off, you know, to get away from the charts. It's not a bad thing. Hey, Fulcus, what's up? Welcome to the chaos today. Oh, thanks, the rip. Sorry, I was a bit confused. I was like, I thought you were out already. The barcode right now, but that's what the system I trade says. Brain rot. Chaos is going on around here right now. Michael Neal, I'm so sorry I can't see what you're super chatting. Give me a second, I can. I'm lying. I can see what you're super chatting. I think. Patrick, you're anticipating a slam to the downside soon. Nice. So I'm checking something. Give me a second, guys. Yeah, I'm on. Wonder if this works. There we go. Michael, I got your... See, I made a plan. I made a plan. Am I from the UK? No, I'm from South Africa. Yeah. I am South African. Tis me. I'm South African. I feel like I'm gonna mess up my Wi-Fi though if I do this, but there we go. I had to go and check, especially because you super chatted. Much love, thank you. Brain rot. Name a car for an edit. Name a car for an edit? I don't... What? What's that? I must just name a car. A Ferrari. No idea. Oh my gosh. Michael, you like to trade volume, so you prefer the New York sessions, right? Here we go. Hey, Mark G, what's up? Oh, nice. No, I didn't, sorry. Rensler, whoop whoop, that's amazing. I am the liquidity. How's it going? You're an editor. Which Ferrari? You're asking a non-car person about which Ferrari. Chat, give me a cool Ferrari. Hey David, what's up? How you doing? Mark G, still the Nasdaq futures. Not very successfully today, but I even said in the beginning of the stream I woke up in not the best mood. That probably should have been my hint to not trade today. Because mindset is not quite right, but it's fine. There we go, Ferrari Urus. BD, cool. I will take your word for it. Ask me anything about horses. Don't ask me anything about cars. Sorry. And Tony says the Tether, is it? Ooh, I've heard... Okay, David, I've heard the California. I've heard the California. That's... Okay, there we go. Alex, mindset is key, yes. Which is why, like I said, I shouldn't have traded today. Actually, let me take a note of that. Journal. Well, I mean, I guess the forward testing's going well, so... anyways. They're boiling London today. Just a little bit. David... Yeah, it's fine. Rolf? Going for Ninja Trader, nice. At least I can tell him about the Mustang. Yeah, maybe not the car, but I can tell him about the horse Mustang. I got it. There we go. I mean, chicken nuggets are amazing. But it doesn't make me feel much better because I can't go and get chicken nuggets. I don't have chicken nuggies near me. I'm gonna have to just buy frozen ones from the store and make me some chicken nuggies. Mark G, is it hard to trade life? Yes, it is. Not always. And again, you guys are super helpful, but again, mindset. You have to have a strong mindset when trading live. David, just out of curiosity, what are the private equity CBRs doing? No idea. Sorry, I'm the wrong person to ask with regards to that. Oh, thanks, David. That's very sweet. I appreciate it. I would love to have some nuggets. Mark G, do I feel pressure from... No, not really. I wouldn't say pressure. Well, like I said, I have an amazing community, so a lot of them call me out if I'm doing dumb things, which is needed. And a lot help analyze. If I'm seeing charts wrong, they go, wait, have you considered doing this? You know, I wouldn't say pressure, it's just, you know, sometimes there'll literally be a 50-50 split of people saying it's going up, or it's going down, or it's going sideways. Yes. No one's wrong, it's just with regards to timing. Anti-voids, what up? Am I ever influenced to make a decision based on what people comment on this? Yes. And that's where the mindset is key. Yeah. It's where the mindset is key. And it's where I do sometimes mess up. I'm getting better at it. Doya, no, I have not. Rensler, thank you. Go away. Do you guys see the fly that just randomly keeps popping up to annoy me? Harry, get it. Ooh, oh, he tried. He didn't get it though. Good boy. Geez, the sell side looks so juicy. Now I would love to see price go up and we take all the lows in New York. Oh, we're Basil, hi. The sell side looks so juicy. Now you would love to see prices go up. And we take all the low in okay, I got that. Got you. Do you want to see it go up and then have a reversal in New York session? Is that what you're saying? Sorry, it took me a minute. David, that sounds amazing. What? Michael Neal, 100 trades in a total of 3 days. Like, I know it's possible, but damn, that's insane. Yeah, I get it. How many times does a call that I take on the comments work out for you? Were you to trade on it? That's a good question. I mean, this one here, I should have taken this trade. Sorry, I have hiccups, that's why I'm being quiet in between. Okay, here we go. So D mentioned here as an entry, and Thomas mentioned it earlier. And I was thinking about taking it, but it was just massive. I should have actually taken... Sorry, I'm just thinking out loud now. That, oh well. It is what it is. But how many times would it have worked out? I've never actually tested that or tried it, to be fair. Here's the break to the upside. Alex, you think so? Go away. I feel like you have to share the secret with me and I can just make it down here in South Africa and just start selling that and then we'll be good to go. How much would $0.79 what make? If it's not going up this 2 minute, you're out. High Life, are you in the green, by the way? Mark G, so I have my confluences. And I try to have 3 confluences at least. And I'm getting better at assessing, but like I said, my mind just not in the correct place today. Like theoretically this one. Let's see, this still maybe looks like it wouldn't have even been a win, but let's see what happens here. This would have been most likely a break even. But I want break evens with 4 R's though. Oh my goodness. What was that candle? What? That was so random. The rip inversion. Let's see, the rip, let's see. That looks like a little stop hunt if I've ever seen one, anyways. Pumpkin pasta. What? Never heard of pumpkin pasta. Up 100. Highlight, that's not bad. Better than nothing. David, you're really funny, thanks. Hey, BD, yeah, I'm done trading for today. Aw, the rip, thank you. Michael, I'm brave. Chop chop. Sorry, that's how I read it. I know you're saying like it's just choppy, but my brain goes chop chop. Mark G, of course. I hope I answered everything. Sorry, to the best of what I could. David, no, I don't. Oh, I'm sorry, Highlight, but you're still up, so that's fine, right? They can pump up now. Highlight, out of curiosity, if it started to pump up, would you ever mark it in? Like again, to get back into the trade, or not really? And Doyan, you think it'll flush down soon? Highlight, I'm so sorry. Hey Jake, what's up? 100 is 100, that's exactly. In 30 seconds to 1 minute, we will flush. Okay. Thanks, Mark G. Mark G, I'm pretty sure I've asked you this. I apologize if I have asked you this, and you have told me and I forgot. How long have you been trading for? David? You're very funny. Don't know if you want to see my old little wrinkly hands. Yeah, high life. Not a bad idea. Son, where's my position? I'm not in a position. I'm not going to be in a position anytime soon. A knuckle close-up is hilarious. Listen, for $500, sure, I will show you a knuckle close. Not big balls. Hey, yeah, high lives, that makes sense. Sorry, David, damn. Yeah, but mine are like, they've seen the sun and horses biting them, and these poor little hands of mine get bullied. By me, but still, they get bullied. And by my horse. Oh, to be fair. So, you can't really see it. I think long ago I broke my hand from the most random thing. From a hailstone. Yeah, that was sore. It closes down, you're shorted on New York. Ooh, okay, high life, let's see. Hey, boom, don't... Yeah, don't stress. You missed a lot, but not a lot at the same time. I'm having a very red day, and it is what it is. Cheers, high life. Enjoy the cleaning. Ruffles? What? Who's your husband? What? Son, so I took 2 trades earlier. I shouldn't have taken trades today. My mindset is not correct for trades today. But I did, and so they were both losses. It is what it is. Okay, David, I guess. Yeah. And it is what it is, boom. I just need to sort my head out before New York session. And that's it. And then hopefully New York session gives me some good opportunities. But it's been good for forward testing this 4-hour strategy. So far, so good. No. Precarious? No. Yeah, but maybe. Let's see. Son, no, I'm not taking any more trades. Hey, Celestine, what's up? How's it going? Boom, you've missed a fire market. I think you would have enjoyed this market, to be honest. I think you would have loved this. This feels like your type of market. I don't know why. I could be wrong. Have a look back and let me know. What just happened? A little bit, boom, but it's been respecting order blocks really well, and I know you love your order blocks. Oop. There, it took there. Ah, for crying out loud. Let's see. Whoa. Whoa, this is chaotic. Anyone hopping on and just seeing this, I am so sorry. This just looks like chaos upon chaos upon chaos. Wow. David, don't worry, so am I, and I do trade, so... Thanks, Zane. Dorian, yep, there, I see it. Got your little spot marked out right there. Oh, Dorian, you want to hop on live with me? We could have. Yeah. See. Patrick, noise. David, I haven't. Boom, yeah. What about, I haven't even looked at ES. Oh, ES was just rangy. Never mind. Chop city. You just like the squiggly lines. My gosh. You're trading GC at the moment. Oh, cool. Damn, son. Nicely done. Whoop whoop indeed for you. That's okay. Boom. Meh. I woke up in a bad mood, which is why, like I said, I actually shouldn't have traded. Just shouldn't have bothered. Brain was not in it today. So it's fine. Hey, Solly, you funny Georges. Huh. No, Solly, it works even better with cherries. Just saying. BD, you're risking 100 on some longs. Nice. What? Wait, you're risking 100 on some longs. BD, where are you getting in? Patrick, do I see how that flush was anticipated? Explain what you saw, David, so I can see exactly why you said it was anticipated. Oh, okay. Sorry, that was a response to BD. You're risking the 1 hour fair value gap. Your funded account is at break even. Nice. Mavia. What? Boom, go eat food. What is wrong with you? Why have you not eaten? Guys, I'm actually just here for all the drama going on today. Damn. You all are feisty today. What is going on? Seriously, the drama today. I need some tea. I'm here for the tea, guys. This is ridiculous. Total $2 trillion liquidated by gold card. Whoa, Akash, are you serious? Is that facts? Solly, you were so close. So close, but it's fine. Solly, you didn't take any trades, right? Or did you? BD, you had coffee. I mean, as long as you're feeling good and chilled, I guess. Okay, Ruffles. Anyway. Did anyone see what Ruffles said? Oh my gosh, that is so fun. Ruffles, where are you from? This will be funny. No need to yell at it. Boom, go eat food. Honestly. Herky Durky, there we go. Hey, nice, Boom. Well done. Thank you, seeing all-time highs soon. Are you sure about that, Diane? Yeah. Hey, Paul, you've come at the most chaotic freaking time. It's not normally like this, but I'm kind of here for the drama today, so it's fine. This is the 1 minute Nasdaq futures chart. David Doyen's talking to John. Kumo, do I do Bitcoin? No, I don't, sorry. Okay, fine, do you like him? Mario, yep. Oh gosh. Hey Lukey Gamer, again, anyone that's new, that's hopped on. Yeah, that's all I can say. It's insane here right now, so apologies. Would have missed by a tick. Yeah, it's insane here. Like I said, I'm kind of here for the tea. I'm done trading for today. My mindset's just not correct. I took 2 trades. It was losses. It's not worth me taking more trades, so sorry, guys. David's here. Somebody getting put in the sin bin. I think David's here for the drama as well, to be fair. The rip. I'm upset that my coffee's done because that's how I'm feeling. I feel like I need to just be here going, woo, ooh, oh damn. Wow. Ethereum looks kind of popping off. I've heard a lot about Ethereum recently, actually. Zane, do I trade crypto? No, I don't, sorry. Oh, wait, oh, did David do the bet? Use OBS Studio for perfect. Akash, I do use OBS. Big candle coming in the next 5 minutes. All-time highs possibly today. Scammer just vanished. Marvio? Damn, you're speaking fighting words right there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So, SunFX, so you're already in profit and you're giving earnings to, let's see, Marvio. So, Sun, are you taking up Marvio's bet? David, you just want to start fights. Anyways. Zane, I have very briefly on a short. I must maybe make a longer video. There's a few longer videos that I actually want to make. I will get on it soon. Unfortunately, I'm caught up in some things at the moment, which means I have no time, which is also probably why I'm recently in a very not so happy chappy mood. Hopefully it'll be done soon and then I'll be able to start making some more longer videos that can maybe help, well, mostly me out. I feel like I need lots of help today, but it's fine. But Zane, sorry, that was short story long. There is a very quick brief short on it in my short videos. Lucas, what up? No more, I'll see a 300 pip drop today. Okay. Short and ink here. Damn, Jake. You're hoping it goes down to 25? I mean, I feel like it's possible. Naturally now, I feel like the markets are starting to behave. See if that would have been a win. Favorite Xbox 360 game? Yours is Assassin's Creed 3. I'm really bad at shooting games. This is gonna sound so lame. I love playing the Lego games on my Xbox. They are so freaking funny. Sorry. The Lego games are amazing. Strong selling, just flow market is unstoppable right now. Good luck, bye. Ah, Marvio, he didn't want to take you up on your bet. Ah, sorry, Marvio. I'm low-key upset. I wanted to see that go through. Damn. Yep, there we go. David, you're just upset that you're not in the drama. Chicks, what am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, or the MNQs, micros. There we go, to be more specific. That wasn't me. That was David. Yell at David D. Ricardo, I could talk the legs off of an iron stove. Nice. I call that a win for me. Whoa, no, Zach, you can ask the people who have been watching me a while. This is me very low energy. Very low energy, not happy chappy. Normally I'm a lot. Normally I am a lot. 25 is strong. Ooh, okay, BD. So you think there's a chance we'll go down there? Marvio, he left. He got scared of your challenge. He ran away. Hey, Kardolowski. Anyways. Yeah, I'm here every day. Yeah, D was here from the beginning, so D knows everything. No, David, that started long ago. Anyways. And here comes random guy claiming. No, but that's exactly it. That is the one thing I think if anyone ever claims to have anything above, let's say 80, like you said, 80% success rate is, yeah, questionable. Cheers, D. Have an amazing day. Maybe I'll see you later. Let's see. Thumper, you're looking for a big sell-off today after Friday's CPI news. Oh, no, I mean, to be fair, I think a lot of people are. And we're chopping a little bit again. RD, yeah. No, they are. They are so cute. Sweeping the road. Okay, David. Boom. Okay. My first day of a stream, I was still being taught, so I think there's a lot of me going, yeah, So look for the one where I don't have an earpiece in, because that's me solo trying to figure things out, and it's a disaster. Yeah. Waspa, I'm trading the 1 minute. Lurk, hey. Me with 85%. Boom banana, yeah, but this is not 80. I thought it was 80. I'm sure it's 80. It sells off will be end of month positioning. Are we not basically at end of the month? 23rd. No? Is it the 23rd? No, it's the 23rd. Hey Kirk, welcome. You've come at the not the greatest time, but welcome. Sorry. You get to come in at yeah, hold and pray. There we go. You get to come in during the absolute chaos, but welcome, welcome. This is, believe it or not, a loving community where we have lots of fun and very supportive. It's just chaotic today. Oh, nice, the rip, okay. Oh, thanks, David. Market going scary for long-term investors. Yes, Jay. 100%. Oh, look at the time. Huh. Guys, it's actually time for me to, Yim, did the market crash affect me? Nope. Day trader. I'm good. I don't have any like held positions, so I'm good. Yeah, not a long-term investor, so did nothing for me, luckily. I know for some people it did a lot, and that sucks. I'm sorry. Okay, let me go sort my mind out. I'll be back for the New York session. You guys were awesome. Thank you. David, I know you do. You have too much fun, but anyways. You guys were awesome. I love you madly. I'll be back for New York. Let's see if my mindset's better. If not, then I guess I just won't take any more trades, and it is what it is. But yes, thanks, Solly. Yeah, let me go see my horses and go from there. You guys were awesome. Thank you for cheering me up a little bit. You guys are the best. I love you madly. And again, guys, if you want to support, you can use any of the props below. I'm affiliated with all of them. My code is TeachMaya. The support would be amazing. Thank you guys. I love you. Bye.